Let's take it to the next step. Let's do something a little simple, maybe jazz it up a little bit. You're going to go back, do your circle again. Use a script name this time. Cursive. And just add a little flair there. You can do another one on the top if you want. Just have fun with it. Come back, the same as you're writing your letters here. Move back a little further. Not as much paint. Just down and to the left of it. Or to the right. You can go down, you can go up, you can go into any directions you want. And you got a nice drop shadow on your name. Thank you.